Welcome to our exploration of Candlestick Mastery, beginner to pro in 66 patterns by the $1 Million Margin Club. This book is an essential installment in the acclaimed day trading series, designed to equip traders with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the technical patterns in the markets. Alongside this series, the $1 Million Margin Club offers a range of strategy logbooks, indispensable tools for tracking trades and refining strategies across various markets. The $1 Million Margin Club takes this time to invite you to visit their website and YouTube channel, where you will find more offerings for your trading education. Chapter 1. Our journey begins by tracing the origins of candlestick patterns, a system developed centuries ago by Japanese rice traders. These early innovators understood the power of visually interpreting price movements, and their techniques have stood the test of time, forming the foundation of modern market analysis. We dive into the anatomy of a basic candlestick, where the distinct characteristics of bullish and bearish movements are illustrated. This section lays the groundwork for identifying more complex patterns, each offering insight into potential market trends. This first chapter showcases a series of idealized candlestick patterns, vividly illustrating how these formations can signal trend reversals, continuations, or moments of indecision. These visual tools empower traders to anticipate market behavior with greater confidence. Chapter 2 introduces the first of 4 engaging challenges designed to sharpen your ability to recognize and understand candlestick patterns. These challenges are built on the foundation laid in Chapter 1, transitioning from theory to practical application using real-world candlestick charts. The journey begins with the beginner challenge. This challenge is simple yet effective. Each chart contains a list of candlestick pattern names, and your task is to find the pattern that matches the idealized examples you've already studied. With 50 quizzes in total, this exercise emphasizes repetition and recognition, allowing you to reinforce your understanding of how candlestick patterns appear in the dynamic and unpredictable market environment. The book encourages you to mark your answers in pencil or make mental notes, enabling you to repeat the challenge as often as necessary until your accuracy reaches 100%. This process is essential because mastery in candlestick recognition is not just about memorizing patterns, it's about building the intuition to see these formations in real time, even under the pressure of live trading. The challenge comes with a vital reminder. Many of these patterns were initially identified for use on daily charts, but they have been adapted here for intraday trading on 1, 5, 10, and 15-minute charts. This adaptation acknowledges the realities of modern trading, where opportunities often unfold within seconds. However, it also highlights the importance of flexibility and understanding when a pattern might not behave as expected and being prepared to adjust your strategy accordingly. By working through these challenges, you're not only developing the skill of pattern recognition, but also learning to apply these insights across various time frames, a critical ability for both day traders and swing traders alike. With this first challenge, the focus is on recognizing the shapes and structures, building a strong visual memory that becomes second nature over time. This chapter sets the stage for the next step in your journey. As we move to Chapter 3, we'll reveal the answers to these quizzes, providing an opportunity to reflect on your accuracy and identify areas for improvement. Each challenge builds upon the last, guiding you through progressively more complex tasks that align with your growing expertise. Chapter 3 provides the answers to the beginner challenge introduced in the previous chapter. Here, the book shifts focus from testing your recognition skills to reinforcing your understanding by showing how each candlestick pattern appears in real-world market charts. Reviewing these answers is as critical as completing the quizzes themselves, as it bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Each chart in this section includes a clear visual overlay of the correct pattern, matched against the idealized examples from Chapter 1. This allows you to compare your guesses to the actual solutions, highlighting subtle details that might be easy to overlook when patterns unfold in real time. This process sharpens your ability to recognize patterns quickly and accurately during live trading. The answers also serve as an opportunity for reflection. Where did you excel? Where did you struggle? By examining the nuances of each pattern in context, you can identify areas that need improvement. This iterative process, testing, reviewing, and retesting, is the key to building the muscle memory required for effective pattern recognition. But this chapter is more than just a review. It's a chance to internalize the lessons of the first challenge fully. It reminds traders of the importance of precision and discipline, qualities that distinguish successful trading from impulsive decision-making. Through this repetition and analysis, you're not just learning to recognize patterns, you're developing the confidence to act on them when it matters most. Chapter 3 completes the beginner challenge, preparing you for the next step in your journey. The advanced challenge. This second challenge raises the stakes, asking you to find and identify candlestick patterns within real charts, taking your skills to the next level. Chapter 4 marks the beginning of the advanced challenge, where the stakes are raised and the skills you've developed are put to an even greater test. In this challenge, you're tasked not only with finding candlestick patterns on real charts, but also with identifying them by name. This progression from simple recognition to active identification represents a critical step in developing a trader's intuition. With 50 quizzes in total, the advanced challenge pushes you to engage more deeply with the material. Each chart demands your full attention, as you must analyze the patterns in real market conditions, recall their names, and understand their significance. This process builds confidence and sharpens your ability to make quick, informed decisions, a vital skill for traders operating in fast-paced environments. The challenge highlights the importance of combining visual recognition with critical thinking. Patterns are rarely presented in perfect textbook form during live trading. Instead, they often emerge in subtle variations, influenced by market volatility and volume. By working through these quizzes, you learn to adapt your understanding of idealized patterns to the nuances of real-world scenarios. This chapter also serves as a reminder of why candlestick mastery matters. Identifying patterns accurately isn't just an academic exercise. It's a tool for predicting market behavior, understanding the battle between buyers and sellers, and positioning yourself for success. The ability to name patterns quickly and confidently during live trading can provide a significant edge, allowing you to anticipate movements and act decisively. As you progress through the advanced challenge, take note of how your skills are evolving. Are you recognizing patterns faster? Are you more confident in naming them? Each quiz is a stepping stone toward expertise, preparing you for the even greater challenges ahead. Chapter 5 offers the answers to the advanced challenge, allowing you to evaluate your performance and refine your skills further. This chapter bridges the gap between identifying patterns in theory and recognizing them in the real world, where subtle variations and market conditions can make patterns less obvious. As you review the solutions, pay close attention to the details that define each pattern. Why does a specific formation qualify as a bullish engulfing candle, or how does a hammer indicate potential reversal? By understanding these nuances, you not only confirm your knowledge, but also gain insight into the market dynamics that shape these formations. This chapter isn't just about grading yourself, it's about growth. Each mistake or oversight is a learning opportunity. Perhaps you misidentified a pattern because it was incomplete, or maybe a cluster of candles threw off your analysis. Reviewing the answers helps you recognize these challenges and overcome them in future attempts. The book also encourages you to reflect on how this exercise prepares you for live trading. In the heat of the market, patterns can form and dissolve in seconds. The more familiar you are with identifying and interpreting them now, the more confident you'll be when it's time to act. The ability to combine speed, accuracy, and understanding is what sets successful traders apart, and this chapter is a step toward achieving that balance. Chapter 6 begins the expert challenge, pushing your skills to a new level. This challenge combines the tasks of identifying candlestick patterns and predicting the direction of the next candle based on the pattern's signal. By incorporating forecasting, this exercise sharpens your ability to interpret patterns in context and anticipate market movement. It challenges you to think critically and act decisively, qualities essential for success in live trading. The ability to make these predictions with confidence can give traders a critical edge in volatile markets. As you engage with these quizzes, you're not just testing knowledge, you're building the intuition needed to act quickly and effectively under pressure. Chapter 7 reveals the answers to the expert challenge, offering an invaluable opportunity to evaluate your progress. Reviewing these solutions helps you identify patterns that you predicted correctly and recognize areas that need more focus. Each answer provides insight into the subtle details that define how patterns behave in real-world market scenarios. This reflection process is a vital part of developing trading discipline and precision. With each review, you move closer to understanding how to adapt these patterns to unpredictable market conditions. This chapter underscores the importance of practice and analysis in achieving true mastery. Chapter 8 presents the professional challenge, the final and most demanding test in this journey. Here, you're tasked with identifying and naming 64 idealized candlestick patterns presented in a jumbled order. This exercise demands focus, recall, and a deep understanding of the foundational knowledge built throughout the book. It is the ultimate test of your ability to recognize patterns instinctively, ensuring you're ready to apply them in real-time trading situations. Chapter 9 serves as the culmination of your candlestick mastery journey, providing you the answers to the professional challenge. It reflects on the progress you've made, the skills you've refined, and the knowledge you've gained. This chapter reinforces the significance of consistent practice in becoming a successful trader. As you close the book, you're better equipped to face the markets with confidence and precision. The $1 Million Margin Club's Candlestick Mastery deserves a 5-star rating and serves both as a standalone resource for testing your skills at candlestick pattern recognition and as a companion to the Candlestick Pattern Playbook with its own unique challenges. We hope you have enjoyed this description and review of the Candlestick Mastery Beginner to Pro in 66 patterns. Please check out the other reviews and videos offered on the $1 Million Margin Club YouTube channel and visit our website at million-dollar-marginclub.com.